object have and what's going to happen to it? Are you going to keep it? Where does it go? And that's it. Just think about it. It's not that hard. A lot of good ideas are coming out. One of them I like is before you leave the grocery store, take out all the packaging that you have and leave it at the grocery store. Therefore, you reduce your footprint before you even get on out the door. And then think about all the packaging that you buy and what you're buying and try and make it reusable. Lessen the footprint. That's it.